Hi guys, I got a new unboxing here today. This is something my oldest son and I did rent when we was on a holiday this winter in Tenerife. So I'm gonna bring you a little closer to the box. Electric scooter for adults. It's in Norwegian. It's 500 watts. Looks like this. And this does about 30 kilometers per hour, it says. So I'm gonna see what's inside the box now. Okay, here we are, some parts. First we have this box. I think that is the charger, 1.6 amps. Yes, this is the charger for the battery. And this part here. Have a look at that later. Just gonna take this out of the box and show you when it's out. Okay guys, we did unbox this in the garage and we're gonna try it now and see how it goes. I'm gonna give you a tour around. Spring loaded, disc brakes at the front, the same at the rear. 500 watts motor, sit here, spring loaded at the rear. Chain driven. Seat, you can take it off and just stand, but I prefer sit. And here is the ignition key. And then I turn that one, you can see the power coming on. And it's fully charged. So now my son is gonna try this and have a little go. Okay, this is the first run with this electric scooter. Very small wheels, so it's a bit hard to turn, but it's wide wheels. Looks like fun. I wanna try also later. Yes, now he's standing, and if you could take off the seat, you can use it just like a scooter with a board on. Speed on this thing, on this little hill. Woohoo! I think maybe the 1000 watt version goes a little bit faster, but it's good fun.